Hey, good morning, Amazon. Welcome to my RV. And no, this is not a dog food review, although I do have one. This is actually about this container and how we use it to store our dog food. Now, we've had this particular container for about 3 years, so it is a little worn. But what it does is it seals everything up and it keeps the bugs out of the dog food. And what I really like about it, it's got this lid, so I can reach right in here and go ahead and get all the dog food I need. Now, to show you how much this can hold, this is a 15.5-pound bag of dog food that I'm going to fill up and see how much we have left over. All right, Amazon, so there it is. I've got almost all. I'd say probably an eighth of the bag is left in there. I could probably fit it in, but I'm not going to overdo it. Plus, I want to be able to get our scoop in there so that we can make sure Tucker gets the right amount of food every day. So would I recommend this container? Not only for dog food, but for other products? Yeah, absolutely. I love this thing. Like I said, we've had it for 3 years. It stores under our sink, keeps his food dry, keeps his food safe from bugs, and he's a happy camper. Plus, he knows every time I open this up, he comes running because he's going to eat. As always, Amazon, I hope these reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.